we're back in the building. The energy's still here. I'm still excited because I don't know why I'm doing that bit, but I'm still excited because I'm seeing you guys. Am I in the middle? Am I too close? I don't know. Either way, we're back in the building and we've got another question. This question comes from Mahmood. And the question reads, can you make a video on how to tie a knitted tie? Funny enough, Senna's wearing one today.
Funny enough.
Go figure.
It wasn't on purpose.
Go figure.
But hey, I have enough of them. That's a chance I would be wearing it.
Yeah,
cool.
So the answer is, yes, we can. We'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come
there
on.
you go. Tired.
Yeah, it's tired. There you go. See you later.
Just watch the intro.
Alright. Yeah, real talk. What's the intro? But no, look. Really
we'll break it down.
I'm going to leave it to Senators to break it down because it might be a little bit tricky.
Alright.
Actually, you know what? Let me not say that because you know what? It sounds like I'm coming across very, not pretentious. What's the word? When you talk down to someone. It begins with a P. No, C. Condescending. Sorry, I'm sounding very condescending right now. So apologies for that. I am only joking. I do understand that a lot of people may not understand how to tie a knitted tie because knitted ties are quite thick and awkward. So I do understand that.
And I will admit, when Mahmood first sent that question, I did reply and say, well, it's pretty much the same as tying a normal tie.
Yeah.
But there is a certain level of little bit of skill to it.
Yeah, I would say so. So I do apologise for my condescending behaviour and my
All right, let's get to it.
That's it.
Bang! You see the red.
I'm all black today.
All right. I don't know why I always undo my top button. I really didn't need to.
Yeah, you didn't need to. Go on, my son. Show me how it's done.
This is how you do up your top button. Imagine if it actually come undone.
It's a nice shirt, by the way. What is that? Oxford?
Morts More, isn't it?
No, but it's a black Oxford fabric.
Yeah,
that's pretty nice.
I'm not showing you bicep. Well, I am, but look at this is the material. All right, cool. So, when it comes to a knitted tie, you always have the issue of getting the length right anyway. But the main thing for me that may be a struggle for people and that I've got used to when it comes to tying a knitted tie is getting the dimple. So, with a knit tie, I do just a normal 4 in hand. You definitely cannot do a Windsor, half Windsor or anything like that. Good luck to you if you try.
Before you do that, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
How do you know when to do the length of it?
Wisdom.
Tell him as well. I'm thinking because it took me ages because I started tying that little. See this bit that goes around your neck.
Yeah.
I started tying that into the knot because when you start tightening it, it comes out of the knot and goes around the back of your neck.
It of course depends on the length of your tie.
Yeah. Okay.
I've done this so many times. I kind of have an idea.
Okay. Yeah.
But sometimes I have to tie it 2-3 times.
Trial and error.
Yeah. So typically with me, I tend to put this part just as it starts to get thicker.
Okay.
At the first part of the knot. You wrap it around.
Smooth.
Normal 4 in hand. And then you just tighten it. And then this is the part where the magic comes in.
Oh yeah.
Put the dimple in.
That's it.
Tighten it. There you go. You see a nice little dimple there. Straighten.
Yep.
Then obviously you just have to... At this point, I put my collar down. I don't know. Do you do your tie with your collar up?
Yeah.
No, you do something weird. Is it with the button?
I button my collar with it up as well.
It's buttoning your...
You have yours down and you button it. Everything's up and I button it, put the tie around and it goes down.
Yeah, weirdos. Anyway, so there you see. Nice little dimple.
Yeah, so how do you guys do it?
You can see it's pretty much spot on. It could be a touch longer, but because it's a knitted tie with a flat end, if it's slightly shorter, nobody's gonna really.
And you stick the tail piece at the side.
Yeah. So because this tie isn't as thick as I would like it to be. Pause. Wide.
Yeah. You know what? I'll pause there as well.
Yeah. I tend to pull the back out a little bit. It adds some more width to the tie. So obviously again, because we have wide lapels, you want to make sure that your tie is at least of a similar width.
Yeah, it balances out the look, huh?
So it balances it out. So I have the tail end hanging out a bit, and then it all matches.
I love that.
There you go.
Done. It was simple, right?
One take. One take home.
One take home. One time in the booth.
Yeah.
That's it. So listen, that's an interesting one. I just want to just a little bit of trivia for you guys out there.
Right.
When you're, it goes back to what you just said earlier. When you guys do your shirt top button, is your collar up or down?
Yeah.
That simple. Like it's that simple. It's just a weird thing. I thought everyone had their collar up when they did the button until I saw him doing it, and then he saw me doing it with up, and he was like, "Hold on, you're weird." So I'm like, "What? Like, what's the consensus?" I just want to see, like, what do you guys do?
Because I find it hard to do the button when the collar is up. It's so much easier when the collar's down. You just slip it in.
But I feel like I'm sticking my hand in between the points.
But then I feel the same way when it's up, trying to get your hand around the points.
No, but the points are up here, the button's down here, so I'm like, yeah.
But then the collar, it's like it's wider, so it's more, it's harder to get everything together. Whereas down here, it kind of sits naturally. It's how I see it.
That's interesting. It might just be habit. It might just be habits. Like, what have you learned as a child? That's it. That's the way.
It might just be the most useless question we've ever asked on this channel.
That's why that's going in the comments. That's not going to be a video for that one. But either way, it's all good. Not that the comments are useless.
Imagine.
That's not what I mean. But either way, I hope, Mahmood, that you found that useful, and I hope that anyone else that had any questions about tying a knitted tie found that useful too. For any other questions about tying ties, please refer to our other videos on how to tie a tie. We've done bow ties, we've done 4-in-hand knots, we've done Windsor knots.
Did we do full Windsor or half Windsor?
We did both.
Okay. Oh yeah, in the same video.
Was it full Windsor? I think I did it. No, actually, maybe it was full Windsor. I think, and maybe it was a full Windsor knot I did in the video. But either way, the resources are there. We've been seeing comments saying that they've been useful, especially the bow tie video. Look, we appreciate the comments that are coming through. Continue to send them to all your people that go into your balls and galas and graduate anywhere you wear in a black tie. Just send it to them, let them know, because it's just so easy when you watch that video. But either way, we hope you take the best bits, throw away the rest. Look, it was all good today, so there's nothing to throw away. It's all good. So continue to like, subscribe, comment, and share these videos. We appreciate it, honestly. And continue to send, we don't ask for much, do we? I'll keep saying continue. Look, continue to send in your questions to us at ask@mortsmore.com. We will get through them. Yeah. We'll get to you. We will respond.
He says continue because we're assuming you're already doing it.
Oh, they are.
We assume that you guys appreciate us. So that little token of appreciation is just the likes, the shares, the comments, and the subscribing.
That's a good point. It is, yeah. That's a good point. Yeah, you're right. And also, continue to interact with us on our several social media streams from Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and of course, Facebook. I mean, you gotta say Facebook. But till next time.
Until next time, guys. Go. And then it adds some more, I was going to say girth.